After speaking with hundreds of coaches, solopreneurs and freelancers like you, I have realized the number one reason they struggle in their business is a lack of clients. However, in my opinion, a lack of clients is never a root cause, it's always a symptom. The root causes are something else. So if you want to know what are those mistakes and the root causes which is stopping you to attract premium clients, watch this video till the end, especially the fifth point. It is very important. Hi, this is Ayush. I welcome you to my channel. So on this channel, I talk about solopreneurship, client acquisition and lead generation. So without any further delay, let's get started. So mistake number one is serving everyone. So let me ask you a very simple question. Let's say if there are two people, A and B, both of them are providing graphic designing solution, but person A is providing graphic designing solution to everyone, while person B is providing graphic designing solution to only coaches. So if you are a coach, whom are you likely to choose for the graphic designing solution? Let me know. Of course, it is person B, correct? And why that is the case? It's because since that person is only providing services to the coaches, you likely to feel more comfortable and more secure with that person compared to person A. And you may feel that because this person is working with coaches, he must be having a lot of experience and he will be able to provide a quality service, isn't it? So that is the reason you will choose person B over compared to A. So is the case with your client. If you are not targeting only one person and if you're providing services to everyone, that is the number one reason why people might not be choosing you. So stop doing that and start niching down to one audience. You may take some time, you may do some experiment to find out who is the right audience for you, but ultimately you have to narrow it down to one audience type. Alright, let's move to reason number two, which is providing multiple service. So just like serving everyone, the biggest mistake people make is they provide all kind of service. So let me take an example. Let's say again person A and person B is there, but person A is providing a digital marketing solution in which he is doing everything, social media and SEO, Facebook ads, everything, while person B is only focusing on Facebook ads. So if you are someone who is looking for an FB ad expert, whom are you likely to choose? Person A or person B? It's person B, correct? Again, why? Is because that person is only focusing on one niche, on one service. That is why you likely to feel more comfortable and you feel that he must be having a lot of experience since he is only focusing on one service. So similarly, if you are in your journey, especially when you are starting out, you should not provide every kind of service. So this is not 2015 or 2016, my friend. We are living in 2024. There are hundreds and thousands of service providers like you. So if you want to stand out, you have to pick one audience type and you have to start with only one service. Like when I started back in 2020, I was only providing Facebook ads service, not anything else, although I know a lot of things, right? So that was the mistake number two that you're probably making. All right, let's move to mistake and the reason number three, which is poor offer. And this is by far the biggest reason why clients are not coming to you. So I'll tell you the three reasons for a poor offer. The number one is you are selling something that your market doesn't want. For example, you may create some course, you may create some information product and start selling it to them, and you will realize that people are not buying it. The reason people are not buying it is because probably there are a lot of information product already in the market and they are just not interested in that. So that is the mistake that you're probably making. So that's why it's very important to do the market survey and the market research before you create your offer. And that was the number one mistake in terms of offer creation. Another mistake in offer creation is selling your feature over the benefit. You know, like when you start selling your offer in a way that aapko ye bhi milega, ye bhi milega, ye bhi milega, and then it kind of overwhelms people, right? And it kind of confuses them, and a confused mind never buys. So that is why you should stop selling features in your offer, but start showing the benefit. Benefit क्या मिलेगा आपके audience को, आपके customer को, आपके offer लेके? That is what you need to show it to them. And the third reason for a poor offer is poor pricing strategy. Either आप बहुत कम charge कर रहे हो या आप बहुत ज़्यादा charge कर रहे हो. In both the case, you are losing the client. So in order to find the right price, you have to go out in the market and you have to experiment. Start with a low price and gradually you increase it, and you can also talk to your customer and talk to the people who are not buying your product and understand from them like what is the reason they're not getting this offer. Like, is there any problem? with the offer. Alright, let's move to reason number 4, which is no personal brand. This is by far again one of the biggest reason you are not able to get the clients. It's very simple. Again, let me tell you a very simple story. Two people are there, person A and person B, right? And let's say if you're looking for a graphic designing solution and both of these people have approached you, to provide the solution, and let's say you check it out on person A and you realize that he doesn't have any social media presence, he doesn't have any LinkedIn profile, he doesn't have any YouTube channel, while person B is creating content on social media, on LinkedIn and on YouTube. Whom are you likely to choose for your services? Person B, right? And that is the exact reason why your clients is also not choosing you, because you are not present on social media, or even if you are present, you are not actively creating content because of which they will be able to build trust on you. Now when I talk about the personal brand, I don't mean to have hundreds, thousands of followers, but it is important to start now, my friend. Start creating content on LinkedIn and on social media, and you will start seeing the clients coming in. Alright, reason number 5, which is not outreaching people. When I started my journey back in 2020, the number one mistake I made is I finalized my target audience, I finalized my service, I built my offer, and I started creating content, and that's it. I was just waiting and hoping for the clients to come in. See, ऐसे नहीं होता है. जब आप start कर रहे होते हो अपनी journey, people don't know you, people are not aware of you. So that is why it is your role to outreach to the people and pitch them about your services and let them know who you are. Now the best way to do the outreach is, let's say you are creating content and जो भी आपके post को like कर रहे हैं, comment कर रहे हैं, you reach out to them, and reach out करके you don't pitch your product to them directly. Instead of that, you understand what is their challenges. You can ask them ki, hey, are you facing any challenge related to this problem? And once they open up, then you can start talking about more of their challenges, and then you can talk about your offer. So that is how you need to outreach to them. All right, reason number 6, hating sales. I can't tell you, like, so many people are facing this problem. Like, they hate sales like anything. You see, I get it, right? बचपन से ही आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे sales approaches आ रहे होंगे. You must be getting unsolicited calls from bank people and the credit card seller. So over a time होता क्या है कि it made us realize and it made it feel that selling is bad, selling गंदा है. But I want to tell you that selling is not bad. It's just that the methods used by these people are not good. Those are unethical, and that's why it makes us believe that selling is bad. So that is why you should ignore those methods and you should start learning what is the right way of selling instead of blaming the sales itself. Because if you hate sales, sales is going to hate you and you will not be able to get the client. But in reality, selling is serving, my friend. Because if you believe in your offer and product, it is your duty to reach out to the people and start selling them. Alright, reason number 7, not investing in yourself. And again, this is the one of the biggest reason and the observation which I have noticed in so many people is that they try to figure out all by themselves, right? कैसे offer create करना है, कैसे niche down करना है, कैसे reach out करना है, कैसे sales करना है. See, you can't do everything all by yourself. Correct? That is why you have mentors, you have trainers, and you need their help in order to shortcut their success, your path. So if you want to get success sooner, if you want to start seeing the results sooner, you have to invest in yourself, in your learning, and you have to get a mentor and take the guidance from that person. Don't sit alone inside a room and wait for a magic to happen. ऐसे नहीं होता है मेरे दोस्त. Go out there, talk to people, take help, subscribe to this channel. Correct? And that's how you're going to upgrade your learning and you are going to upgrade your knowledge so that you will know what is the right way to attract clients. Alright, these are my 7 reasons which I have observed in almost a lot of people making the mistake because of which you are not getting the clients. So analyze these 7 mistakes, which one of them are you making, and please correct and rectify them. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to address them. Till then, please like and subscribe to this channel and watch all the other videos and upgrade your knowledge. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. See you.